converter, and to just go in the appropriate bench. So like tannin is in the tannery, right? So if you want tannin, you'll go to that bench with the 20 converters, and you throw the converters in, and you just select, all right, I want to turn my sandpaper into tannin, and then boom. Done.
But you need one converter for each one?
It's one per 15.
Oh, what the hell?
So you grab a bunch. So
I
think you use 20 of the other thing. So it costs.
Hello?
Welcome back.
What's up?
Hi. Hello.
That was fucking crazy.
You're good?
Yeah, I mean, for temporary, but yeah. That
I'm ordering the.
I have never had. I have never had a UPS explode like that before. That was crazy. That was cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, no, it scared the shit out of me.
Why did we come down here?
But it was
because
cool.
we gotta go straight down this way. But do we want to jump down
cool
there?
For us too.
Why don't we? But why didn't we go right and then jump down?
Did you guys
why
think?
Did we go...
Did you guys think I died? Be honest.
No,
Yes.
I saw you on Hannah Street. Why would I think you died?